Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and you are doing practice of art and craft stuff whatever we are teaching you. I am your art teacher Kiran Raje and I am back with new art activity for you. Today I will teach you to make a painting with different technique. So what do we need to make a painting? Basically we require pencil to make a painting or sketch. But today we will not make painting with pencil. Do you want to know how we will make? We will make painting with eraser. So today we will make a painting with eraser. Different technique I'll teach you. So what do we have to do? For this painting we require one drawing sheet, pencil, eraser and one piece of cotton. First, take your pencil, any pencil, writing pencil, and shade this complete sheet with this pencil shade like this. Give little bit pressure, but pressure should be equal, and shade this complete sheet in equal shade. Do little bit dark shade. Corners also. And very important thing, we have to shade this complete sheet in one direction. Like this. If you are shading in slanting line, you have to shade complete sheet in slant line. If you are shading in horizontal line, then complete in horizontal line. If you are doing in vertical line, then complete shade in vertical line. But shade in one direction. Don't change directions. Now our shading part is done. Take one piece of cotton and smudge it like this. Again in one direction we are smudging. Now this is done. And now we have to smudge in opposite direction, so it will mix well. Now our drawing sheet is ready for painting. Now take eraser. We have to use clean eraser and sharp eraser to make painting. With sharp corners we will make this painting. Now think whatever you want to draw and draw here. I want to draw here one pot, like this. Now I am drawing here one plant. It's different technique of painting. Now we are making flower. It's very easy to make. Same here also we'll draw flower. Basically we are making painting with eraser. So we are erasing as a flower in shape of flower. And one more flower. Now flowers are done. Now we have to draw leaves. You can draw anything, whatever you want to draw. It's very easy. And here also we will draw leaves, small leaves. That's it. Now you can see our painting is done. It's very easy and different technique of painting with eraser. It's very beautiful and very easy to make this painting. You can decorate this painting in your home, frame it and decorate it. I hope you like this art. In next video, I'll bring more creative learning for you. Keep learning, keep practicing and have a nice day. Bye-bye.